I'm about to share with you how to earn your first $100 as a LiveGood affiliate. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, LiveGood is one of the most popular online business opportunities out there right now. A lot of people are talking about it in the industry, and one of the things that they are talking about is how to make money with LiveGood. All right, now when it comes to LiveGood's compensation plan, one of the main things that people talk about is their 50% check match bonus, which is dope as hell. And how that works is, for every personal referral that you bring into LiveGood, you're going to get a 50% matching bonus for whatever they earn. So for every personal referral that you bring into LiveGood, you are going to get a 50% matching bonus of whatever it is they make in their matrix. All right, be honest with you, this is how the people that are making $10,000 and $20,000 a month in LiveGood, this is how they're doing it from that 50% matching bonus. But another way that you can make money with LiveGood is from their fast start bonuses. So for every personal referral that you bring into LiveGood, you are going to get a one-time $25 commission, and that's not bad at all, right? If you think about it, there's a lot of programs out there that you don't even get $25 commissions on, but with LiveGood you get $25. So to earn your first $100 with LiveGood, you just need 4 referrals. Now, before I share with you how you can earn your first $100, there is something that you need to know. To become a LiveGood affiliate, there is a one-time $40 affiliate fee. All right, you pay that one time, and then after that it's only $9.95 a month, and that is to keep your LiveGood membership. Once you get signed up as a LiveGood affiliate, you're going to log into your back office and you're going to scroll down till you see a link that says LiveGood tour page. This is your baby. This is the link that you want to promote, right? This is the LiveGood tour page, the same link that you're going to click on after watching this video. All right, so this is the link that you're going to get where people can pre-enroll to LiveGood to be a LiveGood member. Then after that person decides to join LiveGood as an affiliate, you are going to earn $25. All right, so you got your link, you're good to go. Now, what do you do? The first thing you need to do is super easy. Tell people you know, right? Now, I know you're probably thinking, what the hell? Tell people I know. I ain't doing all that. Like, come on, man. Like, I ain't trying to do all that. It's network marketing, affiliate marketing. I don't even know nobody into that. I understand, but listen, this is just step one. All right, casually tell people about LiveGood. And I mean, you could even do it in a way where you're just telling people what you just got involved with. All right, keep in mind, I'm talking about just like your family, your friends. I know people hate to hear that because it sounds like the network marketing bullshit, but no, LiveGood is cool enough where you should feel comfortable talking about it. This ain't like no little corny program. This is like really cool, right? Think about if you were promoting Sam's Club, right? Because LiveGood is ultimately a membership platform, a membership club, right? So think about how comfortable you would feel talking about Sam's Club, right? You don't got no problem talking about that. You don't have a problem telling people about Costco. You damn sure don't have a problem talking about Netflix or Amazon Prime, right? So get that in your mind, all right? Once you realize that LiveGood is on that level, you should feel very comfortable telling people that you know about LiveGood. All right, so whether it be just friends you know that you talk to on Facebook, send them a private message and just say, hey, have you heard about LiveGood yet? Just send them a message. But if a person says, hey, oh yeah, no, I never heard of it, just send them the tour page link, because the tour page link explains everything about LiveGood. All right, so do this to people you know first, right? People that you cool with, you interact with, you know, on your social media, whatever. Then, like I said, talk to people you know, your parents, your friends, your cousins. Just casually tell them about LiveGood, what you into, and if they're interested, just send them your link. That's it, right? That's the first thing you need to do. Now, doing this actually can get you your first $100. Like, depending on how many people you talk to, you can easily get 4 people that's like, oh shit, this cool. Okay, yeah, I rock with this. Boom, how do I get started? Right? So that alone can get you $100 quick. All right. But we got to keep it moving, right? We need more ways to make money with LiveGood. So the second thing you need to do is come up with a strategy or a platform that you're going to use to get your tour page link in front of as many people as you can. All right. So pick one strategy, right? One. All right. Strategy / platform. So me personally, I do 90% of my LiveGood marketing on YouTube, right? So you could take that approach, or you might be like a lot of people and like, yo, I only do Facebook. Cool. Some people do TikTok. Cool. Some people do vendor events offline, right? Or, you know, they just pass out business cards to flyers. Cool. You have to decide how you're going to promote your business. So just start with one method. So now that you got your one platform figured out, you need to come up with an actual plan. How are you going to put your LiveGood tour page in front of as many people as you can? And really, your plan is pretty much just going to consist of how many times are you going to post in that platform, or how many times you're going to take action in whatever your strategy is. For example, if you're using YouTube, you need to tell yourself, all right, how many pieces of content am I going to upload to YouTube a week, right? Are you only going to do one video? If that's all you can do, then do it. But if you're able to do 3-4 videos a week, do it, right? Do what you can do. That's the mindset you need to have. Do what you can do. If your strategy is Facebook, you need to sit there and say, all right, I'm going to post, 4 to 5 days a week on my Facebook page talking about LiveGood. All right. Now, if you can do every day, damn it, do every day. Now, the key with that is you can post about LiveGood every day on your Facebook, but I highly suggest you mix it in with actual real life posts. All right. Don't just use your Facebook as a billboard for LiveGood. Put in there about, what you eating or how work was today or something about your kids or your girlfriend, whatever. But you want to mix posts, on your Facebook. Don't just put it where it's just nothing but LiveGood. Trust me on that, right? But make it a point to post about LiveGood, something about LiveGood on your social media. If it's TikTok or Instagram Reels, you have to decide, all right, how many Reels am I going to put out a week? Because they're short form videos. Like, you can put out a lot, right? You can put out 5, maybe even 20 shorts on Instagram Reels or TikTok, right? Keep in mind, like, this is a real business opportunity. LiveGood is making people money. So please put that in your mind. Understand, it's only $10 a month to be a LiveGood member, but this is a real business opportunity. So you really should treat it serious. All right. So back to the strategy. All right. You posted, you already figured out, all right, I'm posting, videos on YouTube or Facebook or whatever. And if you're doing offline marketing, the same thing applies. All right. You need to have a strategy. All right. I'm going to every Saturday, I'm going to the flea market or whatever, and I'm going to pass out flyers, or I'm going to go to different laundromats and I'm going to set flyers out. You know what I'm saying? Like, every week I'm going to do this, or I'm going to go to a vendor event once a month. I'm going to a vendor event. I'm going to get me a table. I'm going to set up LiveGood stuff. Whatever it is, have your strategy and actually do it. Like, that is the key. That is the key, right? To actually implement the plan. Because everybody, you watching this video, everybody, you can come up with a plan. Oh yeah, hell yeah, YouTube, right? And then the next step, oh yeah, I'm gonna post like 5 videos a week on YouTube. I'm so excited, right? The first 2 easy as hell to do. The hard part is actually doing it. That's the key, right? That is the key. And then after that, it's sticking with it. You have to understand, when it comes to affiliate marketing, network marketing, damn near anything, right, where you're being a boss entrepreneur, like, you gotta stick with it. Like, don't do LiveGood for 2 weeks and get mad because you didn't get any commissions. Don't even do it for 2-3 months. This is a business. So some people, real talk, some people make money within the first couple days of LiveGood. That's real. But also there's some people that has been in LiveGood 3 months. It took them 3-4 months to get their first $25 commission. And then they start making money after that. They start rolling. It just all depends on, you know, the situation, right? But long as you have the mindset of like, no, I'm not going to quit. I'm going to be consistent and I'm going to grind. This opportunity can work for you. So now you have real concrete information on how you can start making money as a LiveGood affiliate. And if you're not an affiliate yet, you can get started right now. All right, click that first link in the description and I will see you on the team.